Hey folks, if you're somebody who likes to tinker with their own car, a weekend warrior, do-it-yourselfer, or even somebody that has a small shop, and you or somebody does your brakes by yourself, whatever, when you change a caliper or a line, whatever like that, you gotta bleed your brakes out. Simple little setup. You take it, you hook another hose to this, which is over there. I don't want to make it too long. And you put it on your bleeder, and you just pump it. That's all you do is pump it up. And pump it up, and it pulls, do the vacuum. So every time you pump it, the vacuum gets a little higher. This is a great little thing for a do-it-yourselfer. It's cheap. You can normally get these 20 or 30 bucks. Now you can do way more with this. I do with this, I do brakes. I do power steering pumps, suck them out before I get like change them, or basically anything like that. Fuel tanks, I've done it with this. All you do is hook your air up to this fitting here, and I got a few other attachments here. I wasn't going to dig them all out. You can get the attachments for ABS also with this, or your master cylinders. That screws right into the master cylinder. Gives you, well, makes it a lot easier for you. Here's your air control. Now I found out on this that you don't want it wide open. You just want a small steady stream. Now this part here, I got the different fittings for this also. You put this over your reservoir for your brakes. And you can actually do a complete brake transfer in this unit. I've done it many times over. I fill this jug up. I put it on the reservoir, or the master cylinder in this case, and I basically pump it all out for this. I'll do about half, then the other side I'll do half, then I'll go to the front and do it all over again. And that does brake flush for me. You can do a lot of things on this with this that just what's called for. It's supposed to be just for brakes, but again, I use it for a lot of things. Awesome tool. I think you can get them for like 50 or 60 bucks. I've owned this thing now for a couple of years. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but for a guy just doing it every once in a while, as you see, I broke this one. I actually got to take it back to Sears. This one's a good little thing for a do-yourselfer. Somebody actually stepped on this one and broke it. But it's a cool little tool. This, on the other hand, is an awesome tool to have for definitely the weekend warrior who does it more often. But under 20, under 80, or we'll say 20 and 80, just for being the more the guidelines. Like I said, 2 parts works great. I figured I'd do a quick video. Happy New Year, everybody! Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thumbs up. Thank you.